Assalamualaikum, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you my skincare routine. This is my summer skincare routine. So I've been doing the skincare for about like almost 2 months and I'm really enjoying it and I wanted to share with you. um, so let's just dive into the video. So this is my heavy looking makeup, like so you see glitter eyes and all that. So first thing first, what I do is I use this Sephora cleansing balm. This is really good stuff. It came with this spoolie. I'm gonna just take some, just a little bit, honestly. A little bit is, it's a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna use my hands for this. So you see my skin, honestly, I don't have like open pores and blackheads and all that. As you can see, it's because of the skincare routine. I'm a skincare addict, like literally. I never forget removing my makeup. So removing your makeup before you wash your face is very important. So we're gonna do that. So I'll be applying this balm everywhere, especially in my eyes. After this, I'm going to clean it. I'm taking a towel. Just gently, no, don't. You see, my makeup is almost gone. So after this, we're going to cleanse our face. And for that, I'll be using this PMD brush. And I'll be using this Salicylic acid cleanser with that.
I'll be recording from now. So ये मेरी skin है. This is glycolic acid by The Ordinary, and honestly this is the best toner I have ever had. It's been a year I started using it and it works perfectly. So here's like a little tip. आप इसको जो है बजाय cotton pad पे आप इसको directly अपने हाथ पे जो है डाल के इसको apply करें, because cotton pad जो है वो soak कर लेता है बहुत ज़्यादा toner, so like it's not worth it. So save your money, right? So, and this is a very great product to plump your skin and you will see visible difference. And right before it dries out, I'm going to use the hyaluronic acid by The Ordinary. एक pump बहुत है. I use it twice a day. So this is my nighttime routine. hyaluronic acid भी इसके benefits मैंने आपको किसी दिन वीडियो बनाऊंगी, उसमें सारी चीज़ें डिटेल में बताऊंगी, but this is perfect for hydration and moisturizing. ये eye serum है, it's actually eye cream by Juice Beauty. थोड़ी सी अपने अप्लाई करनी है बहुत. You can use caffeine solution by The Ordinary. इसका alternate मैं वो भी यूज़ करती हूँ कभी कभी, लेकिन इस वक्त मेरे सामने ये पड़ा था तो मैंने यूज़ कर लिया. बहुत जेंटली अपने अप्लाई करना है और उसके बाद जो है मैं अपने फिंगर से जो है थोड़ा थोड़ा इसको टैप करती हूँ ताकि ठीक से जो है वो मॉइस्चर मेरी जो है अंडर आइज़ के अंदर अब्सॉर्ब हो जाए, विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड देन रेटिनॉल. सो रेटिनॉल इज़ वर्किंग, इट वर्क्स परफेक्ट विद हाइलुरोनिक एसिड. मैं एवरी नाइट इसको यूज़ करती हूँ. ये वाला जो है वो इनकी brand का है. I bought it from Sephora. These all products are honestly inexpensive, cheap and best quality products and works perfectly for me. तो इसका भी मसाज करेंगे और मसाज करके मैं तो इसके बाद जेड रोलर यूज़ करती हूँ. तो that was in my night table. So this is a moisturizer by the same brand, INK. I bought it from Sephora. It came out like that, really fancy. But it's a great moisturizer, so I've been using it for over 2 months now actually. So this works great and I really enjoy using it. I was a little hesitant, but it's a great product for summertime at least, because it's not too heavy. And last but not least, I'm going to apply this facial spray. This mist is by not Juice Beauty actually, Glow Recipe. क्योंकि सारे प्रोसेस के बाद जो है मेरी स्किन थोड़ी सी मुझे tingling फील होती है जब मैं इसको स्प्रे करती हूँ तो it suits my skin, it gives me like hydration and so much you know like relax कर देती है। तो इसको तकरीबन 5 मिनट्स के लिए मैं इसको लाइक टैप करती हूँ, अगर ज़्यादा चाहिए तो मैं और यूज़ कर लेती हूँ। एंड लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट माई रोज़बड लिप बाम, आई लव दिस वन सिंस आई बॉट इट। लाइक मैं बहुत कम बाकी लिप बाम्स जो है वो यूज़ करती हूँ, लेकिन मैं लिनेज की जो है वो स्लीपिंग मास्क लाजमी यूज़ करती हूँ, बट दिस इज़ लाइक माई एवरीडे थिंग। सो दिस इज़ मी। As you can see, my skin is pretty good, it's glowing, like I didn't use anything but my skincare products, nothing else, and it's glowing, right? तो जानने के लिए of course आपको सब्सक्राइब करना होगा, लाइक करें इस वीडियो को, शेयर करें अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, and you can see like my skin की tightness. I'm over 30 and my skin looks way better than many girls. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Allah Hafiz.